Playback recorded data. Click on File in the main menu. We're going to open a raw data file. To access all data playback and visualization options, change the workspace from Basic to Advanced. To get a clearer picture of our data, we're going to change the color threshold in the MEA viewer. Now select some channels for visualization. To see the chart axes, go to the chart window and click the Show Chart Axis Titles and Ticks. Now we can see the values of our data. Another way to view the data is by going to the Raw Traces settings and going to Charts Arrangement. Currently, we are looking at the stacked view, but clicking it, we can also choose Arrange by Grid. To zoom in on your data, go to the Zoom In option under the Chart panel. To zoom out, click the button next to it. To move the data along the timeline of recording, go to the timeline and click and drag the time window. To expand the Visualize Time window, click and drag the orange lines on the time interval. This can also be changed by going to the X-axis in chart and minimizing or expanding the given time frame. These are the same operation. To reset the axis, go to the home icon in the chart panel and click Reset Axis. Another option for easy data visualization is by clicking Show Closest Values on hover. With this enabled, when we hover over any point in our chosen time window, we can see the values. If we wish to adjust the X and Y axes manually, you can click the Y to display the values and enter your chosen range. The same can be done also with the X axis. Other options on the timeline include clicking play in the controls window to view your data and changing the speed in the timeline to slower or faster than the default. To restart, click and drag the time window to the beginning of your data. To loop your data, you can click this icon. To stop data playback, click Stop under the controls. You also have the option to narrow the time window by clicking and dragging the time boundaries. Now when we want to loop the data, we will have a smaller time window.